Today I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth capability to this Chevrolet Cargo Express VIN factory radio. This is 2013 Cargo Express VIN from Chevrolet. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio. So you can play your phone music directly, while you work or while you're driving one of these Cargo Express vans. So we'll use my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. So we're going to plug this into this. Then plug it in for power. That's it. That's all you have to do. Let me show you how we can get music onto this Cargo Express factory radio. So first we turn on the radio. Set the radio to 87.9. You can see now the radio is set to 87.9. Now all you got to do is plug in my device into the cigarette lighter for power. And listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to this Chevrolet Cargo van factory radio. Let me show you again. Let me do it again. So set the radio to 87.9 right here. Plug in my device. And listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio. Now all you have to do is press a button to play the music. You can use the controller to go forward.
See, this world has two kinds of people.
And when the phone call comes in, just simply press this button. You'll be able to receive all your phone calls loud and clear without static. Then once you're done, just simply push this button again, and you'll go back to the music. Your music will be loud, clear, without hissing or static. Simply connect my device onto the car radio, then you're ready to listen to. You're ready to listen to all your music, podcast, news, radio, even Sirius radio, even YouTube. You'll be able to listen to all your music through this radio while you're at work. And also, you'll be able to talk hands-free. And you'll also be able to integrate a GPS function. So when you are at work driving this van and you're lost, you can use your phone as a GPS device and you'll be able to hear all your GPS instruction coming through your car speakers loud and clear.